Morning all. I have previously given the example of capability study of a lathe machine. So one student has asked a very interesting question that here we have taken column wise the values of different days we have considered. But if this becomes if we reverse the problem, that means if shaft wise we take these columns, okay, there are 6 shafts are there, and the days data if we collect row wise, then what will happen? Okay, see, the same way the problem has been solved using the same method, the target value, the control limits, those things can be determined, and theoretically the problem can be solved. But the problem is whether it will lead to something meaningful or not. If you have a look at this particular problem, then you are basically interested to know the variation of each day and whether those variation is acceptable or not in terms of the control limits you want to judge or you want to understand. But if you, instead of first day, if you put here first shaft, if you put here second shaft, third shaft, like this up to 6th shaft, then what will be the objective of the problem? The objective of the problem will be you want to check the variation of each shaft. It has got no meaning in practical sense. Why? Because every day when you are operating with lathe, you are not dealing with the same shaft. Once you are using the first shaft for the first day, then on the second day you will not be dealing with the same shaft. That is not possible. Okay, so theoretically the problem can be solved, but practically it will have no meaning. So that's why we are interested to know the variation of each day here, because every time the shaft is being changed, once the operation is performed, then it's over. Then we have no role to again deal with the shaft. Okay, so hopefully this is now clear. Thank you all.